Hey riders! Welcome back to Meer Riders. Today, we're diving into something big, bold, and iconic, the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. Yes, the legendary SUV is back, and it's meaner, smarter, and more capable than ever. If you thought Toyota had forgotten its off-road roots, think again. Design, retro vibes, modern style. The 2025 Land Cruiser blends classic ruggedness with a modern twist. It features a boxy silhouette, round LED headlights, and a bold front grille that pays homage to its heritage, especially the iconic 70 and 80 series. Toyota nailed the design with aggressive lines and raised stance, making it look ready to conquer anything in its path. Engine and performance. Tough gets smarter. Under the hood, the new Land Cruiser comes with a 2.4L turbocharged hybrid engine producing 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 4WD system and 8-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're climbing rocks, crossing rivers, or cruising highways, this beast delivers power and efficiency like never before. Interior, rugged yet refined. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin built for both adventure and comfort. Premium materials, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and advanced driver assistance features give it a modern, premium feel. The layout is functional, with chunky knobs and switches designed for use even with gloves on. Tech and safety, built for the future. The 2025 Land Cruiser is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, offering lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. It also includes multi-terrain select, crawl control, and 360-degree cameras for off-road navigation. It's not just built tough, it's built smart. Off-road capability, still king of the wild. What truly sets this SUV apart is its off-road DNA. With high ground clearance, skid plates, locking rear differential, and a suspension tuned for rough terrain, the new Land Cruiser remains a trail-dominating machine. It's a vehicle that laughs in the face of extreme weather and impossible trails. Price and variants, accessible adventure. Toyota is offering the Land Cruiser in multiple trims, starting around $55,000. You get value-packed features, hybrid power, and rugged capabilities without paying luxury SUV prices. It's a perfect balance between old-school toughness and modern-day tech. Outro, should you get one? So, is the 2025 Land Cruiser worth it? Absolutely. Toyota brought back a legend, made it more efficient, tech-savvy, and capable. If you're looking for a reliable, go-anywhere SUV with real heritage, this is the one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Meer Riders. Let us know your thoughts about the new Land Cruiser in the comments below. Until next time, ride bow.